we'll guide you through how to use Claude's features effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Claude's official website. Once you're on the homepage, you need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is where you'll find all the primary features Claude has to offer. To start utilizing Claude's capabilities, locate the New Project button, usually found at the top right corner of the dashboard when you click Project. You'll then be prompted to enter a project name and select the type of project you want to work on, such as text generation, language translation, or data analysis. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Create Project. Now, you can start exploring the tools available. For text generation, click on the Text tab where you can input your prompt or topic. Claude will generate text based on the parameters you set. For language translation, navigate to the Translate section. Here, you can choose the source and target languages and enter the text you want to translate. Claude will provide an accurate translation in seconds. If you're interested in data analysis, head over to the Data section. Upload your dataset and let Claude analyze it, providing insights and visualizations that you can use for your projects. Each feature has its own set of options and configurations, so take some time to explore them and adjust settings based on your needs. Remember to save your work regularly by clicking the Save button. This ensures that your progress is not lost, and you can easily return to your project whenever you wish. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.